Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I am going to take you through the step by step of using eDiscovery in Office 365. When I use the term eDiscovery, most of us are already familiar with it and most of us have used it many times in Exchange Online administration. But now because Microsoft is shifting this functionality to Security and Compliance Center, so we should be familiar of using it over there because the functionality in Exchange Online about e-discovery is already depreciated and it's going to be removed down the line. So I'm going to show you how you can use it under Security and Compliance. So in front of you, as you can see, I have opened my admin center. So I mean to say my Office 365 admin center. So left hand side you have this drop down of admin centers. So here you have this option Security and Compliance. Click on this. So it's gonna open a new tab for you. Alright, so the tab is now open. So here if you go to search and investigation, you have the option of eDiscovery. Click on this. Alright, so for the purpose of this tutorial, my intention is to export a mailbox, my mailbox, using eDiscovery. So the first step is to create a case. So I'm gonna create a case. I'm gonna name it Rashu, save it, and the case is created. Now open the case. Alright, so the case is opened. Now I have three options: hold, search, and export. So click on hold if you want to create a hold. If you want to pull out someone's mailbox or any other information and then export that result, you can go to search and then export. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to do two things. First, let's put a hold. Let's put a hold on my mailbox. So I'll put it Rashu hold. Next, location. So if you go for exchange, click choose users, groups, or teams. So I'm going to search myself. Here am I. Okay, done. Next. Here, suppose if you want certain filters to be added to your search result. For example, suppose you are searching someone's mailbox. You want to pick up mails which have been sent from a particular address or to a particular address or anything like that. You can always put conditions. But I just want a flat search. So just click on next and create this hold. So the hold is placed already and the status is on. Close, go to search. Now this is the main action place. So go for guided search. So again put a name, say hi, and as I said, my intention is to search for my mailbox and export the results. So create results. So now this search is going on. And here are the results. So the next step is to export the results. So if you go to more, you have two options: export report and export result. So if you go for export result, it's gonna export in the PST format. If you go for export report, so the report is gonna be pulled out in the CSV format. So for the purpose of this exercise, let's go with export results. As you see, this export result prompts come up. So here it is, output options, all items, PST file, and you can see the volume here, the size, and all other pieces of information. Click on export. Now you can go to the export tab and you will see an item created. Remember, the title of our search was high. So now the export is created as high underscore export. If you click on it, you can see the status. So the moment we click, around 20% of the results were ready for export. If you want to refresh this, you're going to click on refresh. So the data is being prepared. You can still click on download results, but what I suggest, always do when this process is completed to avoid any delay. Moreover, it's very important to understand this export key, because when you are going to really use these results, you need this key. You have the option to copy to clipboard. You can even change the key if you want, and you can see the total number of items and size you are gonna export. So let's click on refresh again. Oh wow, it's now ready. So let's click on download results. So when I click, I got the option here that this tool, what do you want to do? So I'm going to open this tool. So yes, we have, this is, if you have done this eDiscovery work before, you are familiar with this step. So the same thing is happening here. So let's click on install. It is downloading now. Alright, so now before the export starts, it asks you for the key. So this is the key. So we already copied to the clipboard. Let's see if we can paste here. Yeah, we can. And you can click on browse to pick a particular location. So I selected a location and I put the key. Let's click on start. So as you can see, this export is actually started. So this is how we do in eDiscovery. I mean, when we do using Exchange Online Administration, but now the same has been moved to security and compliance. So if you see, the in steps are almost similar. You need to know how to approach till this step and what are the things you got to do. So I have showed you everything step by step. So I hope that's gonna help you. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.